Good morning, students. Yesterday we have started the chapter integers. Let us do one activity based on integers, okay, to understand the concept of integers and addition of integers. First of all, let me tell you what are integers. Integers are the collection of whole numbers and negative numbers. Whole numbers are the number which start with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on, means infinite, and negative numbers are -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 and so on, means up to minus infinity. Okay, let us start one activity based on integer. I have taken here two different types of different colors of beads, red color beads and green color beads. Okay, red color bead shows the positive integers and green color bead shows the negative integers. One red bead means this is +1 and one green bead means this is -1. Okay, now let me tell you, if I have taken here 5 red beads, one red bead means +1. Okay, so here are 5 red beads, so your integer will be +5. Okay, now you have 3 green beads. Green beads means negative integers, -1, -1, -1, -1. We have 3 negative integers, so we will have this is -3. Okay, now the third, I have taken one red bead and one green bead. One red bead matlab +1 and one green matlab -1. So +1 and -1, 1 minus 1 will be 0. Now let us do addition of integers. Okay, here we have two positive integers, means +1, +1. You have to add these integers with the positive +3 integer. +2 +3 will be your +5. Okay, and now we have green beads here, minus, here we have 1, here we have 2, so total are 3, but these are negative integers, they are showing negative integers, so this will be -3, +2 and +4. Here we have 2 beads and here we have 4 beads, so total 4 plus 2 will be 6 beads, so your answer is 6. Now here we have green beads. Green beads are showing the negative integer 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are there. Here we have 7 beads of negative, -1, -1, -1. This all will become -7. Now let us do what you will do when you have to add one negative integer and one positive integer. Let us do this by an activity. So here we have taken 4 negative integer and +3 positive, -3, 3 negative +4 positive, 2 negative, 2 positive, -1, 1 minus 1 +2. Okay, what you will do when if you have to add one positive and one negative integer. So in we have done one negative and one positive. One negative and one positive beads make it 0. Okay, means one positive and one negative beads will become 0, so we will take it here. Okay, now pair the another negative and one positive. This is +1 and -1. This will become 0. So take it out. This is +1 and this is -1. Take it out. Now we don't have any positive integer, we are left with only one negative integer, so our answer is -1. Okay, in the next question we have done -3. We are going to do -3 plus 4, means -3, 3 green beads and 4 red beads. Okay, so one red bead and one green beads make 0, because one is positive, one is negative, +1 and -1 will be 0, so remove it, make another pair, +1 -1, it will become 0, so remove it. Now again +1 -1, we are left here with +1 with red beads, means +1, so your answer is +1. Now the next is minus 2 plus 2. Okay, we have 2 green beads and 2 red beads. So make it pair so that we have 0. Remove it. Now the red beads and the green bead. Okay, nothing is left here. Now we have nothing in this row, so our answer is 0. Now next is minus 1 plus 2. Here we have minus 1 means 1 green bead and 2 red bead. So make one pair of red bead and green bead so that we have 0. Now we are left with 1 red bead means plus 1. So your answer is plus 1. So our third question of exercise 6.2 is based on this table. You have to understand this. When you have two positive sign means two positive integer, what you will do? You will do of the operation plus and sign will be of positive. Okay, and when you have two negative integers, what you will have to do? You have to operate the operation plus means you have to add the numbers. Okay, and the sign will be of minus. And when you have one positive integer and one negative integer, you have to subtract, and the sign of the answer will be the bigger number sign. Means इन दोनों में से जो भी bigger number होगा, you have to write the sign of the bigger number. And when you have one negative, one positive integer, then you subtract and you will have the sign of bigger number. Okay, so let us start exercise 6.2.